what we're going to do today is we're going to install this hard drive to this NVR. This works the same for NVRs and DVRs. So the couple of things we have here is we have the drive itself. We have the two SATA cables, one for power, one for data. We have the 4 screws provided with the NVR itself for installing the drive. We've taken out the screws here just for the demonstration purposes. So once the housing comes off, we can then start installing. So what I like to do is I like to firstly do the cables, which just makes it that bit easier when it comes to installing it. So once the cables have gone on, what we need to do is we need to loosely put in the first 2 screws just till they catch a small bit. That just makes it that bit easier because they're finicky. We can then easily slot the drive into place, and then we can tighten those screws that we loosely put in earlier. You then proceed with the other 2 screws. Once the screws are tightened, when we flip it over, so we have 3 connections here. Now we only actually need 2. So if you look at the way the connections take, it'll only fit to the correct ones. So you don't need to force anything. They fit nice and easily. And once they're on, we can then proceed to put back on the housing itself. And that's quite simply how to install a hard drive to an NVR DVR.